Hello viewers, let's find the friends you have removed, the friends request you have received, and the friend request you have sent to others. You will also learn how to view your Facebook friend list in the order you became friend, sorted by date. First, open Facebook and then click on your picture. When it opens, come to the top and click these three dots or three lines. Now come down and click Setting and Privacy and go again and click Settings. Now scroll down till you find Active Log. When it opens, once again go down and click Connections. Now click on Friends. And when it opens, three options appears, your friends. If you open it, so you will see all your friends date-wise when they became your friend. Date, month and year. Let's get back. Now click the list removed friends. So click it and you will see the deleted friends along with date. Now click back and click send friend requests. When it opens, these are the people whom you send friend requests. So through this way you can find all categories pertaining to your friends. Thanks for watching.